You know that my barber shop is?
The one off base?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, woman, you gotta start this car. It's hot.
I'm trying.
Yeah, you guys gotta tighten the gate too. Except for me, because I don't own one anymore.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. We haven't vlogged in a minute. I haven't uploaded in like 3 days, so.
What is she staring at? Jesus.
That car, I think. But it's Monday the 21st or 22nd? 21st.
21st.
I don't know. What?
Flag.
What?
Tomorrow's the 22nd, because I get my flag.
Oh. I can't believe it. January's already over. Anyways, I hope you guys can hear. I've got the AC and the windows rolled down. But we're going to the beach today. Woohoo! We just got back from the gym not too long ago. And now we're gonna go to Lanakai Beach and get our tan on. He wants to get his tan on. I don't like being tan, so I'm not gonna get my tan on. I mean, I probably will because I'll be in the sun anyways, but I'm not purposely trying to get my tan on, you know? Yeah. Okay, so we're at the beach now. Finally found parking. I swear I have hair. It's just up here. I look like a boy. Jacob gave me a funny look. But it took forever to find parking. So now Jacob's gonna go to the bathroom and then we're gonna go sit on the beach. Good morning, you guys. So I didn't vlog at the beach yesterday. Awful at vlogging. I don't know. I've just been in like a weird mood. But I'm gonna vlog today. It's gonna be another clean with me. I feel like I post a lot of clean with me's. And that's because my house gets really dirty, so it's fine. Anyways, I'm going to make my breakfast really quick, and I kind of wanted to show you guys what I make for breakfast because I really love it. I made this yesterday, and I decided that this is my go-to breakfast like every day now. It's so good. So, I don't know if I can prop you guys up. So, I'm going to make this breakfast. My goodness. It's just an acai bowl, and I get the acai puree packets from Target. I want to get them from Whole Foods because they're probably like good for you or better for you. But I'm not sure if they're the same or not. But I just got them from Target because Whole Foods was out. But yeah. But I really like the ones from Target, so I might just stick with the ones from Target, you know? Anyways, let me show you guys what I do. So, I have my blender. I'm using a Vitamix blender. Sadie, you have to do that right now? Yeah, she has to do that right now. Okay. Also, I just woke up, and like, you know when you wake up and your eyes feel all foggy? Like, that's how my eyes feel right now. So, if I keep rubbing my eyes, that's why. Okay, so then I'm gonna grab my cutting board and my knife. And I'm just going to take the tops off of these strawberries. Actually, that's a really nice strawberry. I usually pick like the uglier ones, like the ones that are kind of bruised, to throw into my acai bowl because I'm really picky about my strawberries and I don't like to eat ones that are bruised. So I picked the bad ones to go in, like blended in, and then the good ones will be chopped up to be put on top. I just put 3 strawberries, pretty big strawberries, in there. And then I'm going to throw in a few raspberries, not very many, just a few. I was going to top my acai bowl with raspberries, but then I decided I didn't want to. So I just used these to throw in there. So I just put like a tiny bit of apple juice. It says to put a 1/4 cup of apple juice if you want it more like a smoothie. And I put like an 1/8 cup. And that was still like too much, I guess, because it came out really liquidy. So I'm just going to do a little splash. and see how that goes. Also, the strawberries and the raspberries aren't frozen, so that might be something else too, because, you know, the juice from that could have been what it was. I don't know. So I've got the puree packet in there. It's just like one of these. And on the puree packets, it tells you like how to make it too. So like it says to add fruit of your choice and like a liquid. So then these are my favorite bananas. They're the apple bananas. And I'll just throw like half of this in there and then save the rest to go on top of my bowl. I just kind of eyeball it and toss her in there. And then we put the lid on and we blend it up. Okay, so I went ahead and poured it in my bowl. It's still pretty liquidy, so I think I'm just gonna freeze it because it didn't come out to the consistency that I like. I mean, maybe this is the consistency it's supposed to be, but for me, I want it to be thicker. So I'm just gonna freeze it. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 30 minutes.
Anyways, now I'm gonna clean the blender and then we'll get to cleaning the house. So I finished making my acai bowl, so that's what it looks like. And I'm just gonna chill on the couch and watch some Grey's Anatomy because it's back and I'm so excited. And then we'll start cleaning. So I'm super hot. But anyways, just kidding. I went to go run errands with my friend instead of cleaning my house, but now we're gonna clean my house. Hopefully. It's so hot. My house feels nice because it's nice and cold, but it's so hot outside. I'm taking Sadie outside. What time is it actually? I could go check the mail, but maybe I should just clean first. I don't know. I think we'll clean. Come on, let's go outside. I don't know if I've already shown this. I don't think I have, but we got a dog door for Sadie. And so it didn't have this flap when we got it because we got it for free. Someone was giving it away. And I was like, that's perfectly fine. So I just ordered a flap off of Amazon because I thought, you know, that's way better than paying $100 to $200 for a dog door, like a new one, when really all I have to do is pay like 20 bucks for a replacement flap. So yeah, but Sadie was going in and out perfectly fine, and now she's like still kind of skeptical about it with the flap, but she uses it. Like, go outside, Sadie. It took a while to train her to use it, like even without the flap. Come here. She was scared that she was like gonna get trapped under it. Come here. Come here, Stinky. Come on, go outside. Sadie. Do I smell good? Come here. Oh, Daddy's home. She's definitely not gonna go outside now. Let's scare him.
Oh my god. Scared me, fuck. No.
Dang it. I knew it wasn't going to work because Sadie was in here. Oh, thank you.
Well, I'm going back to work.
You're going back to work?
Yep.
Why?
I'm not off. I just did that real quick.
Oh.